guys, my name is Prielle.
And my name's Danelle, and today we're doing a review of Kinder Joys.
Can you open?
Okay. Prielle, I will open Prille's toy.
And we will open them. So,
Here we go.
I'll get this to get it out.
I'm gonna open my Kinder Joy.
A bird.
Let me see. Yeah, I'm gonna fix it.
Here's the instructions.
But where's the beak? Where's the beak at the bird?
There. There.
This is the beak at the bird.
Let's open the instructions. Let's see the instructions. That is a bird. Mr. Bird, Daddy, look at her. Mr. Bird. Mr. Bird.
Okay. Okay.
We got the ring now.
This so you can put it on. Yep, I have a ring.
I can put it in the ring in the wand. Why don't I just wand?
There. Now we need to put the ring. It's
It's a bird.
Let me put
A
on.
whole princess bird.
It has a crown outside. She wears some weird. She wears a crown. This is Prille's toy. My turn. Let me open my. The chocolate's a little bit melted.
Why?
But that means it's auto mix. That means it's mixed. Okay, it's my turn to open it. You didn't have to mix it with your spoon. Whoa. Let me open my toy first. So how did it?
Good.
Also, you didn't get to mix it.
Mine is a bird.
Wow.
It's a mermaid.
Prielle, you didn't even see it yet.
Just no. Hey, give me that.
It's a frog?
It's a frog.
Why is it a frog? Why would it be a frog?
It's not a frog.
Let me see. It's a quail. It's a cute quail.
Oh, it fell. Let me get it. No. Oh, in your crown.
Yeah, brown. Okay, where is the beak? How do we fix this? Okay, I need some. Oh.
This is Mommy, can you fix
Okay, there is something.
again?
Okay, where's the twirly part? So we put the weird twirly part.
Can you put the crown?
Okay. What?
Why?
Twirly weirdy crown. Twirly. Boop, a bracelet. Oh wait. And now what? Is this weak? I found it. Chain and there's a cute quail. Look at my quail.
Okay, a wing.
Yeah, wait. We need to put on the wing. Where are we gonna put on the wing?
No.
The wing, the wing, the wing, the wing, the wing, the wing. Wait. We have to do this.
That's my chocolate.
Tree. this is a little hard. How do you put on the wings again, Prielle? These are the wings. The wings are the most important part. There we go. Okay, I have attempted the wing. Why is the beak gone? Look at the beak. Look at it. The beak is missing. Let me put on the beak is almost there.
I am a flying bird.
Wait, where's its crown?
I'm a finger. I am a flying bird with no crown.
Wait, why would the bird will not want to have a crown? Everyone dreams being a princess or a prince. Not that. Not really.
Got that many, right?
Yes, of course. So I mean, okay. And almost done. Just these two. That's cool. This is much easier without a. I'm just gonna do here.
Chocolate is so delicious and yummy. Yummy. Now
This is my toy. It's a quail, I think. Underwater quail. The wings are shimmery. I'm gonna put this on. Okay, I'm gonna put this on. Let me put it on. I'm gonna put this. I can put on my bracelet. A very nice one. You can put on the crown. I'm gonna go open my chocolate. I hope you enjoy our Kinder Joy video. And now I'm gonna eat my chocolate. It's not that melted. But it's still melted though. This is crunchy and good. I'm gonna go get some water.
Go.
And bye-bye.
I hope you enjoyed the video.